Hello, today I will show you how to upgrade the software. I have uploaded the flash software on the TF card here on the root position, and remember don't change the file name anyway. So you insert the TF card inside the TF card slot, and then turn on the device. Yeah, the software is upgraded automatically. The Chinese means it's upgrading. Please don't turn on the device. And then it's turned off. And you can turn it on again. Okay, so you can see it's upgraded. So what's the advantage of upgrade the software? First of all, you can see is mutual blend. And the second, you can check on the menu here. Down, up, down, down. You can check the LCD brightness. And okay, and you can see there's 5% brightness available. So it's very important to control the screen brightness when you're hunting at night. Otherwise, the light of the screen will light your face and the animal will see it. So you can up, and select. So you can see the screen is dark, is turning dark. So you can long press the menu